I built an e-reader app for a handheld that fits in your pocket. It has an e-ink screen and it runs on an ESP32. This is HonzoReader. It's an app I wrote for the PocketMage PDA. If you haven't heard of it, it's a clamshell device with a full keyboard, an e-ink display, an OLED status bar, and a microSD card slot. Someone made this hardware and software and open sourced it, and I decided to write software for it. HonzoReader reads book in the Honzo format, which I also created, which are .aco files, a binary as zip container, and they're read off the microSD card. You load your books onto the card, open the app, pick a book, and read. On e-ink and on a device the size of a calculator. The whole reason this works is the e-ink screen. You're not staring at a backlit LCD trying to read. It looks like paper. The PocketMage already uses e-ink for everything, so an e-reader is kind of the perfect app for it. The screen holds the image with no power draw, so your battery lasts. The challenge with writing this is that I'm writing this for an embedded device in C++, which is not the same as writing a web app. You've got limited RAM, no operating system handing you things, and e-ink has a full screen refresh every single time you change the page. I had to think about how to load and render text without eating all of the memory, how to handle page navigation so it feels responsive even with the refresh, and how to store reading state so it actually persists. Honestly, the best part is just using it. You flip open this tiny device, scroll to your book, and just read. No notifications, no browser tabs, no distractions. Just words on an e-ink screen and a keyboard you don't need to use. That's HonzoReader, an e-reader for a pocket-sized e-ink handheld. Links are in the description if you want to check out the PocketMage or the app. And just so you know, the rendering issues you see throughout this video are not a problem in the app. They are a part of the OS and the hardware that I'm using. As being a beta tester, I got to test the device early, and this is a pre-release to the original crowd supply release. In the final hardware version, these rendering issues will be fixed and the device will be much better to use. Thanks for watching. Go read something.